Hey guys, I'm Shantanu Dasi back again with another video highlighting everything that has been happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's just not waste any more time and just jump right into our stories. Our first story is 2021 Emerging Trends, how artificial intelligence will affect creative decisions. So this article has some amazing highlights about how creative decisions will be taken with the help of artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence is changing the creative industry. So the first point that has been highlighted in this article is that every company in 2021 has become data driven, be it in any field, any industry and any sector. Even creative industry, like people in record labels will sign an artist after analyzing their data on Spotify and how much fan following they have, how much engagement they can create. Similarly, that can happen for YouTube, Netflix and every other streaming platform and media. So data driven approach is going to be a new normal for companies, be it creative or otherwise. Another thing that is evident from this article is that content creation is quickly becoming commoditized, means that your content is going to be your value, your asset and your product that you are going to put into the market. So you cannot risk having low engagement content out there. That's why data driven approach will be instrumental in these type of content creations, that you cannot just subjectively think what your audience wants to see, but you will analyze the data and figure out that what your audience wants to see and then create something creative or artistic. So it is going to be more of science than of art, which it has already started to become. So the third point that is highlighted in this article is clearly evident in today's times, that lower barriers to entry means more creators in more industries. For example, it is highlighted in this article that AI photo editing software suites have become commonplace, and with smartphones and social media platforms today, you no longer need to spend 8 years in photography classes to become a compelling photographer. You also do not need to spend 4 years in photo editing courses to masterfully edit your photos. AI is leveling the playing field and it is reducing time investment required to start creating, which means more people in more industries will be able to unlock their creative freedom. Hence, the article goes on to conclude this by saying commoditization of skill set means more unique creation. It says that we can strike a perfect balance of AI and a personal creative approach to create something unique and more impactful than we currently are. Now we can use artificial intelligence for the things that are suited to AI the most, and the other things are up to our creative and subjective decisions, and the interconnection of both will result in more creative pursuits. Let's move on to our next article. Our next article says that the Achilles heel of artificial intelligence might be its big carbon footprint. So the conversation around, be it cryptocurrency or be it digital art or be it artificial intelligence, is always the carbon footprint that is being left behind by these processes. So this article highlights that the biggest trend in natural processing languages has been the increasing size of language models as measured by the size of training the data and a lot of other parameters. So the most important factor that the carbon footprint is increasing is that the neural networks carry out a lengthy set of mathematical operations for each piece of training data, and these data sets therefore translate to soaring computer and energy requirements. Another factor that is driving AI's massive energy draw is the extensive experimentation and tuning required to develop a model. Machine learning models remains largely trial and error processes in today's world. Deploying AI models in the real world settings consumes even more energy than the training does. It is estimated that 80 to 90% of cost of a neural network is on inference rather than training. So it is eminent that we will need to find out an alternative for this huge carbon footprint that artificial intelligence and machine learning processes are leaving behind and leaving on our environment. Moving on to our next story. Our next story is that artificial intelligence reads your mind and draws the person you would be most attracted to. So this was a really interesting experiment carried out by some researchers, in which that subjects were shown pictures similar to a dating website, but this time they did not have to swipe left or right. They had to imagine if they found that person attractive or not, and the artificial intelligence would track their brain waves to decipher if these pictures were attractive to them or not. At the end of the experiment, the scientists decided to create an amalgamation of the features that a particular person found attractive and created a new person from it, and it was found out that they recreated the features attractive to a particular person with 80% accuracy, and all this thanks to artificial intelligence, which is tracking brain waves and finding out that if a person is attractive to you or not. Moving on to our next story. Our next story is about NVIDIA's GTC event that will feature big data and computer scientists including Yoshua Bengio, Geoffrey Hinton and Yann LeCun. The co-founder of the company, Jason Huang, in the press release said that GTC brings together a massive ecosystem of developers, researchers, corporate leaders who are using artificial intelligence and accelerated computing to change the world. He further added that they have their strongest program ever this year, highlighted by, of course, aforementioned Yoshua Bengio, Geoffrey Hinton and Yann LeCun, among 1300 other sessions focused on every aspect of computing networking. So it is a really exciting event which is going to go from April 12 through April 16 and will start at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time on April 12. It is also funny to know that all three aforementioned gentlemen have in some capacity encouraged the use of NVIDIA chips, and now they will come together in NVIDIA's GTC event. So definitely look out for this event. But now we have to move on to our next story. Our next story is that NVIDIA unveils AI enterprise software suite to unleash the power of AI. So we previously reported that NVIDIA is joining hands with VMware to create an all-inclusive AI suite. This software is a comprehensive software suite of enterprise-grade AI tools and frameworks. It is also optimized and exclusively certified by NVIDIA to run on VMware vSphere. So this is how the layout of that software is going to look like. It is really helpful for a broad range of key industries including manufacture, logistics, financial services, retail and healthcare. The AI tools will help AI development of these industries ranging from advanced diagnostics, smart factories, fraud detection and more. Lee Caswell, the Vice President of Marketing for the cloud platform of this business unit, said that every enterprise is exploring how to modernize their infrastructure to meet the demands of AI application. With NVIDIA AI Enterprise and vSphere 7 update, VMware customers are now able to fast-track AI in their virtualized data centers and easily deploy certified AI-ready infrastructure for their modern applications. So that's about it. Those were all the stories from the world of artificial intelligence that we have for you. I highly recommend you checking out all the stories in their entirety. Links for them will be in the description down below. And while you are at it, please click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you never miss any other update from Analytics India magazine.